So good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to reInvent. I'm Sean Foley from Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, a digital transformation strategist in our advisory and professional services organization. And today we're going to talk for a few minutes about data modernization and hybrid cloud. Data is the life force underpinning our digital economy. Everyone and everything are fully connected in sharing data. Data is the life force essential for next generation operating models. For us to be able to create new, innovative experiences from billions of moments, accelerating decision velocity, and seeing around corners, driving innovation. And we know that this data has criticality, and it has gravity. Making data addressable, regardless of where it is across your global enterprise, is critical for success. But this is not trivial for most enterprises. They need to unlock that data's value, and you need a technology environment and a landscape that enables that mission. We know that the world is hybrid. There's a big gap today in the digital operating model of both enterprises. The apps and data that have been moved to public cloud are leveraging that agile platform experience. But that's only 30% of the apps and data. Another 70% have stayed put in co-locations, data centers, and more at the edge or in SaaS environments. And they stay there for lots of good reasons. Data gravity, data sovereignty, or application entanglement, to name a few. This makes for an uneven operating experience, a bimodal operating model. How can you drive the business agility that they need when you have such a fractured operating experience, data stuck in silos that you can't necessarily share across the business effectively? Not everything is going to move to public cloud. And it's time to make sure that we bring the cloud experience everywhere. At HPE, we also know what the world looks like after you've come past that public cloud event horizon. And you have an IT estate with 50 to 70% of your workloads running outside of public cloud, on-prem, in co-location, and SaaS, a truly hybrid environment. You need an operating experience that's going to support this. HPE has deep experience and expertise in enterprise transformation. We've been helping clients successfully transition to a cloud everywhere operating model for decades. And helping maintain business and operational continuity as clients are navigating this complexity is critical. But it's not just expertise. We also have the technology, platforms, and solutions to accelerate this journey. We have services to help you manage it and focus on your core mission, enabling your business to meet its goals. This is why we have created HPE's GreenLake that provides a cloud that comes to you, gives you management control over your hybrid multi-cloud estate, and we have expertise to support this transformation. This is why customers are leveraging this combination to be able to turbocharge their data to address their business challenges. Our goal when you work with HPE is to enter a world of experience and knowledge, enabled by technology, but centered on people. And our customers are facing big challenges. In a survey of our customers, we're hearing first, how do we fast forward digital transformation while managing the complexity of a hybrid IT landscape? Whereas data is everywhere. Clouds, data centers, devices, machines. Second, how do we make petabytes of our data and put them to work and unlock data's value for insights that we need, when and where we need it, with the capability to analyze and act on data increasingly in real time? Third, how do we actually increase our freedom to be able to deploy workloads and data and increase business agility while maintaining sustainability? Realizing data's value requires a data-first modernization that starts with a hybrid IT foundation. And the operating model underpinning this data everywhere approach is hybrid. Our focus at HPE has always been supporting business and operational continuity as our clients innovate. And with workloads running in the public cloud, on-prem, and in colo, this estate is truly hybrid. HPE has been helping clients adapt and adopt new operating paradigms throughout our history. It's in our DNA. We have the technology that enables a hybrid data-first estate with HPE GreenLake. We have expertise to help you transform and realize the benefits of a data-first cloud operating paradigm with our advisory and professional services. In fact, we have IP that's focused specifically on this transformation with the Edge to Cloud Adoption Framework. And finally, we have management services with GreenLake Management Services to help support operations to let you focus on your core business. But why GreenLake? With HPE GreenLake, we enable a hybrid approach to cloud that comes to you. And we partner with AWS to help clients run workloads where they best fit a client's need. And the conversation and the question going forward no longer should be, what app should I move where, but rather, how can I become more data focused, more data first, and bring a consistent cloud operating model across your entire workloads and data. GreenLake is a cloud that comes to you, your apps and data, where they are in data centers, co-locations, and edge locations with self-serve, pay-per-use, scale-up and scale-down capabilities that can be managed for you or by you. With GreenLake, you can modernize your business-critical apps that live in colos and data centers, especially at the edge, the core apps that run your business, while also managing those that live in AWS to provide a truly hybrid IT estate without compromise. HPE GreenLake gives you a hybrid cloud that speeds data-first modernization and a cloud experience everywhere. And the platform is ever evolving to meet new client needs. The platform offers 70 services in 18 different categories. And they focus on enabling data-first modernization for all workloads edge to cloud, spanning workloads from distributed to mission-critical, AI and advanced analytics, edge IoT, cloud native, and more. For example, HPE GreenLake for Private Cloud Enterprise delivers a modern private cloud experience with automated, flexible, scalable, pay-as-you-go private cloud for distributed and cloud-native workloads with enterprise-grade SLAs. And we continue to expand our marketplace in growing partner ecosystem, including distribution, VARs, SIs, ISVs, service providers. And we're placing partner capabilities at the center of our platform strategy through open APIs. Bottom line, there's a growing partner ecosystem building on HPE GreenLake ready to serve you. And while we have a rich set of services, we also have the expertise. HPE offers a rich set of advisory and professional services to help clients meet their business goals. Powered by thought leadership and deep experience, HPE can help accelerate, de-risk, and scale your digital transformation and meet your business goals. We address the complexity of adopting a modern operating model through the use of HPE's Edge to Cloud Adoption Framework. This holistic model is organized into domains that cover the big rocks that most IT organizations need to be concerned with: strategy and governance, operations, security, people, applications, data, innovation. I always forget one, but there are 8, I promise. This comprehensive approach allows us to ensure that your organization has the capabilities, roadmap, and even the execution backlog to evolve into a cloud everywhere hybrid IT operating model. With RightMix Advisor, we can use workload data to identify what workloads best fit where and help you prioritize investments and elements of your hybrid strategy. Finally, we can help you realize your transformational goals through our multi-cloud management adoption service. We have thousands of AWS certified resources in addition to our core HPE expertise to help you evolve to meet your business goals. But when you're evolved at this point, who runs it? We also have HPE's GreenLake Management Services, It's designed to help customers run their IT estate, which may be as simple as running their day-to-day operations or as complex as running full workloads end-to-end across the enterprise. And there are three components that make our service unique: our platform, our people, and our processes. We have an advanced suite of integrated management tools to manage and optimize the environment. This helps the customers reduce investment in tools, staff, and training with HPE intellectual property and platforms. And GreenLake Managed Services is really all about the people. Customers experience premium support with dedicated relationship managers and gain faster business results. We have 5,000 experts supporting this platform across 8 global support centers. And followed by this, we have our defined processes that are focused on helping delivering compliant outcomes with mature ITSM and HPE IP. But who's running it? Well, we have many customers running it. And here are a few key examples across multiple industries. We have Fidelity Information Services, a critical fintech with 55,000 employees, managing billions of transactions that leverage HPE GreenLake to run their entire data ecosystem, both internal and external to client-facing, or externally client-facing. We have Nokia that uses the platform to support 10,000 of their engineers to be able to develop and speed innovation as they develop new 5G capabilities. We have Solomon, who's actually leveraged, it's a leading outdoor sports apparel organization or manufacturing organization that leverages HPE GreenLake to drive their sustainability goals. And last but not least, we have BMW that's using the platform, again, to enable their entire development ecosystem. So HPE GreenLake can support many different modalities, many different capabilities, and across many different industries. So if you have questions and you want to learn more, HPE is here at booth 1015 1015. We're happy to answer any questions in depth. Or you're welcome to hit our QR codes here and hit our site to get more information about HPE GreenLake, our HPE Advisory and Transformation Services, and our HPE GreenLake Management Services. The world is hybrid. Go HPE and AWS. I'm Sean Foley. That's my lightning speech. I have a few minutes if anybody has any questions, or I think the cocktails are open.